ومن كام سنة وانا وبحبك انا.
Hey guys, today I'm going to make a brand new video, and for today's video guys, I've set the mood right. I've got the candles on, I've got the lights on. For today's video, I'm actually going to be doing something that is actually requested more often than it should. I may as well film a video of me brushing my teeth. So yeah, I'm going to be showing you guys how I actually clean my car on a regular basis. So this is basically a routine wash. Hopefully you guys do enjoy. Obviously this won't be the most entertaining video to some people, but dislike the video if you don't like this video, so I won't do it again. Let me show you guys what my car was looking like before I cleaned it.
Till I'm drunk, smoke till I'm high, castle on the hill, wake up in the sky, you can't tell me I ain't fly.
So the products I use for my car is actually Simon is a shampoo and wax, right? And honestly, right, this is actually good. Like, I didn't clean my car for a month, and like I've been driving quite a bit. It seems to work on my car. So the next thing I use is Wonder Wheels All Black Gloss Tire Gel. What this does is when your tires get a little bit like, they look used, like they start going a little bit like dark brown basically, this is what I use to basically make the tires go all black again. Like, this is probably the best like £9 I spent on a thing, because it just makes the wheels look brand new. Now, I've left out my glass cleaner purely because my camera died at the end of this. So I start off by getting the car wet, right? Oh my god, does this car get me wet? What am I saying? So basically, I hose off the car from top to bottom, and yeah, that just kind of gets off any loose dirt. Now right here, you can see that I'm doing in the wheel wells, right? Why put in all your hard work, right, in the places that you can see, right? It's like working on your heart, right? Let me just stop talking. Now, something I don't see people do, there might be a reason for this, but I don't use a hose to wash off the shampoo. I use a watering can to basically put off all the shampoo. Now, the reason for that, right? When I use a hose to do all the shampoo off, there's so many water spots, and it's just so annoying. When I put the water in the watering can and then use that instead of a hose, it just does. I don't need to dry it, and it's like you don't have the problem with all the water spots if you miss drying a bit. So firstly, I start off by wiping the top of the car, because like if you start from the bottom, YouTube comments would go mad. If you can see me holding my crotch, I'm not holding my knob, I promise you. On my little like jackets, I have two jackets with these little dangly things. They always hit the car and it does my head in. So then I use the watering can to basically rinse off all of the roof. Then I move on to the sides of the car. And I always get this little I don't know, the little bit where the wheels kind of splat mud all over, because it's just dirty. Right, disgraceful. Now I move on to the front of the car, and this is where it gets proper dirty, because all the bug splats and stuff, and it's like you actually have to put extra like pressure and also like extra time into it, because there's so many like hardened bits. It's a bit grim. Then I move on to the back of the car, right, and this is like, if you can see me here, I basically wipe down the windscreen wiper blade, right? Because that always gets so dirty. Now this is the bit, right, where, you know, like, where there's soap in the exhaust, and then you turn on the car and it all spits out. I tried it, but it didn't really work. Turning off the car spat out more soap than revving the car. So at this point, I've finished all of the car. It looks pristine, right? The last thing that I move on to is the wheels, right? This is like the key part of my car, because I would say having black wheels, you know, you got to take care of them. Or else at this point, I'm cleaning the tyre as well, and that's not something you normally probably clean unless it's really muddy. I'm cleaning it because I'm putting on the tyre gel in a second, and obviously you need a clean surface for the tire gel to stick. So the last step is obviously the tire gel, and obviously as you can see here, it's just like thick liquid that you put onto the wheel. It does get onto the alloy, which is annoying, but you just gotta wipe that off later. And oh my god, like literally look at it. Such a little thing can make such a big difference. Look at that. Look at me. What does that even say? You basically just put it on the tire face, because if you put it on the anything over, it will come off instantly when you start driving, because it's going to rub off. Now this tire is the easiest to apply it to, because it's a different tire to the other three. The other three have this kind of indent where you have to kind of like somehow get your gel in it without touching the alloy. So here's the car without the gel. Firstly, on the right side, here is the car with it on, and it just kind of makes the lettering stand out a lot more. Just turns the car a little bit. It works more up close if you're looking at the car, definitely. And you can see here I did half of it with the gel, and then not very well. I didn't do it very well, but yeah, you can see the kind of difference. And then there's the car. So unfortunately, right, that is the end of this video. Hopefully you guys did enjoy. Not sure how this video came out, because I've never done a video like this. If you have got to the end of this video, then comment your name for a subscribe. First 2 people to do it gets a subscribe. I want to know from you guys, how do you clean your car? It could be your mum's car, it could be your dad's car, it could be anybody's car you clean. But I want to know, what do you think of my car cleaning? Basically, this is like a regular, like weekly kind of clean that I do. But yeah, unfortunately, right, that's the end of this video. Hopefully you guys did enjoy it, and I'll see you later, faces, in my next video.
Shorty like $1,000 plate, fine china. Tell her that she beautiful every day.